All right, welcome traders. Patrick with Trader123.net, and here we are trading on Wednesday, April 23rd, 2025, and it's barbecue pizza day. So today was pretty good day with the bot. We traded the ES more than we did the NQ. NQ we got whacked on one trade, and then had a rebound trade, and the rest of the trades were the ES. Volatility was a little high today due to the tariff news, and I mean tariff news came out around 9:40, 9:50, and just seems like it came out a bunch today. So you had to be careful and had to make sure you had a stop in. So this is our first trade here, running the ES, and a couple up and down moves here, and we got our 633 profit on two contracts. So overall on the day, not sure how many trades there were, 8 or 9. Made $4,100 in profits, and there's the numbers right there. And let's look at our second trade. So here's our second trade, and we're trading the ES again. As I said, the NQ is a little volatile, so we're going to wait till after 10 o'clock to trade that. And we caught a nice up move here on two contracts. It didn't take this short because the trend was up. And then another short here, and we hit our goal 808 on the two contracts for a great trade. And this is the trade we got stopped out on here. NQ, two contracts. Kind of a choppy time right here to trade. And losses do happen, so you just got to accept them, move on to the next one. And this is where the market gets you. If you could play that Jaws soundtrack where the shark, boom. But we bounced back in the rest of the trades on the day. 6 of them were all winners, so let's look at those. And here is our ES trade, which ended up getting us $442 profit on the two contracts, and we took it. And, with the bot, you can run, multiple strategies if you want. We routinely run the ES and NQ at the same time, for those of you that don't know. And don't forget about our spring sale on the AlgoBot. Save 400 on the strategy. The coupon code at checkout, and we prefer PayPal, would be save 400. That's our best deal of the year, so get it while it lasts. And here's one of the indicators that I use during the day while watching where the market directions go, and this is called the volume profile. And point of control is basically the line in the sand for longs and shorts. You see below it, it sells off and it'll go to the value area low. Above it, it breaks out, it'll go to the value area high or the high of the day. And it's a good gauge to figure out where the market is going. And then this is our next trade in the ES, and wave down, one wave, two wave, and boom, target hit 658. We lowered our goal. Market started to slow down, so we dropped it from the 800. Then another trade in the ES where we got 583 in two trades. And we got two trades left, and here we're still trading the ES. And market starts to sell off here, two contracts. We get 442 and we take the profits. And then the same thing here into the 11 o'clock time frame. ES did a reversal here, bouncing off the VWAP. Up we go. Another 442 profit target. The bot did all the work, got long, profit targets a hit, and boom. And with the fast market, we, shut the strategy off while we take a screenshot, because don't want another trade triggering and or the news come out. So make sure you're doing that if you own the bot. So great day of trading. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Hit that like button. Follow us here on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't forget about our spring sale on the AlgoBot. Save $400. And you'll be good to go. We'll sign you up for a monthly newsletter that provides very helpful information regarding, the current market conditions and, scale down your contracts and all that stuff like that. So, insights into the market with our newsletter. Available only to people that own the software and the AlgoBot and the ORB strategy. So, we'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.